going to reach now way.
DJ Karma, where do on the live? Don't listen to them. Go and go play.
DJ run, DJ run.
DJ run. Recording guy your bed, come on for the live. I'll be outside of the run away.
I can't show Destiny before. I can't show Destiny. I can't show Destiny before. Show me a boy picture. I can draw back from my boy picture.
What is our name?
No people tell me, say, why you transition? You was a cute boy. Even though them say you look good now, and yeah, whatever, you still go through your transition. But you did look good as a boy as well.
You prefer you as a boy, not a girl.
Eh?
I prefer you as a boy, not a girl.
Who? You?
Destiny, I'm saying.
Oh, Destiny, yes.
I prefer Destiny as a boy.
Move the read down. You feel look like that.
Should I be a boy? Because you're not girly at all. You're not girly at all.
Now somebody has to know, man, where Rihanna out of anybody basketball, where Rihanna do you make you not like Rihanna? What Rihanna do you?
You look
Rihanna
good.
Rihanna out of all people when I really fuck with people. Where Rihanna do you? If any other girl come on social media and I bring her down, I could have say yeah. But Rihanna not trouble people.
Keke,
Hey, I'm stuck.
What? So
Jamaica man never ugly.
Man them.
yeah.
Never ugly me at Jamaica, never.
I'm not going for one of my boy picture them, I'm sure that's
Them picture that look familiar, let me see one of them ones. Let me see what I try.
So me work at blood clot at restaurant.
There, come boy, nice.
Watch you? Bomba. Go back for the next one. Wait there, watch you? That's sweetie. Watch you? No, it's the same this.
Look at the boy nice.
Hey. The boy that will cut across your face, you know.
Long time the boy nice.
Hey,
long time the boy nice. Radam.
I want to play my song. I love that song.
Radam.
Nicky and Future.
Radam.
File footage.
Radam. The real job is
Destiny do this and beat me. Destiny do this and beat me. Look here.
Radam.
We're not see.
Hold on. Martin, you should know me from me, boy. I need to stop it. Destiny do this and beat me.
Oh, wait. Hey.
Do this and beat me, Destiny, when me a boy come out on my train and I go out and be a fuckery. Destiny do this and beat me as a boy. And me that as a boy, sweet, Destiny. You couldn't beat me.
Aye. Look good.
Just wait till me laser out my face and do up my blood clot body. Wait.
Look good. Really good this time. I hear that me look good in the blood clot in Jamaica. Me never attack your blood clot. I didn't see me live a road one time. Never. I guess what? Guess what now? Clothes cheap. Roll on cheap. I really man love me vibes. Watch that. Bleach out white. Watch that. Take off the face.
Destiny, me aquí another picture of Destiny when me a boy. Look here. Look
here,
Martin. Look
correct.
Radam. Look here now.
Yeah,
Radam. Do this and beat me, Destiny.
What you?
Do this and beat me, Destiny. And me that as a blood clot gangster beat me. I never mix up Paspas and never.
You win
never
mix
up
because you're white. Poor look good in the blood like watch that.
Look there. Look on boy. And me that trans. Enough people say that rather me as a boy as a girl. Look for me.
Some people father reach ya.
Destiny me that as a boy Destiny.
Moretta as a dumpling.
And me that as a boy Destiny. You couldn't do that and beat me.
Really, you
look like Rihanna look like all a proper man when me that take money from her.
Right now.
Beat me.
Right now.
In a tall you are is that always the man them will look strong like Uno.
Yeah.
Long time I look like cute.
Keke look like Keke. Keke look like all a god man, like she fire pure shot off for people. Like Keke, I walk with long nails and long t-shirt. Bumbo pussy bumbo ass like Jesus. I for come for world, you know.
Look at the balance of a blood clot. What's the name again?
Jesus, I for come for world.
I'll something there. Job. This is show Keke and them. I said do this and beat me.
Yeah, dude. You're pretty.
Look here, upon that video. Do this and beat me. Make up the film on my face. Make up sit down on my face.
Yeah.
You look good at blood clot too. Look on the
I will just say O'Neal big up. If you ever come over here and tell blood clot, call and give the one more blood clot. Martin, you know,
read the comment, huh? Read the comment.
That no mean say support blood clot call the DM. Say you boy big up.
I'm being nice.
Look how Keke nice. Look how Keke nice right there.
Serious boy look
Keke look like the people them with a teeth out of my great grandmother's shop.
You're like,
yeah, we don't trust Keke in my great grandmother's shop. Watch her for me.
Look, yes, sir. Do this and beat me. I'm going to my straight friend then.
Wanted by the Jamaican
police. Go to my straight friend then. Do this and beat me, Jam. Do this and beat me. That's how I'm going to my straight friend then. You come here and go say, Keke.
Your favorite patience, right? This song.
Yeah.
From Canada.
Yeah,